Welcome to Rasasastra and Bhaishajya Kalpana class. Myself, GVN Dr. Devashish Panigrahi, Department of Rasasastra and Bhaishajya Kalpana, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, we are going to discuss session number 28 regarding knowledge of Parada and its synonyms. Before Parada, we should discuss about Rasa. Previously, it is also discussed in your class regarding introduction of Rasasastra. Again, here we are repeating this. The science deals with Rasa is known as Rasasastra. What is Rasa? The term Rasa has various meanings. In the arts and culture, it means the Navarasa, that is anger, grief, etc. Rasa meaning in Ayurveda too, the term has varied meaning. In Dravyaguna, it is related with the taste like sweet, sour, sadrasa. In Bhaishajya Kalpana, Rasa means Swarasa Kalpana or expressed juice like Ardraka Rasa, Tulasi Patra Rasa, etc. Whereas in Rasa Sastra, it means the mercury. The science that deals with the mercury and its operations is known as Rasa Sastra. Rasa or Parada importance. According to Rasapanishad, Yatha Rasa, Tatha Atma, Yatha Atma, Tatha Rasa, Atmavit, Rasavit Chaiva, Dvabhimau Suksmadarshino. According to the Rasapanishad, its soul plays an important role in body. Likewise, Rasa or Parada is the soul of Rasasastra, and without Parada, existence of Rasasastra is not anticipated or cannot be imagined. Again, to describe the importance of Rasasastra, Rasendra Sarasangra quote, Sadhyeshu bhaisajam sarvamiritam tattavedivi asadhyasvapi datavyam rasoata srestha uchyate. It implicates every medicine is indicated only in curable or sadhya conditions, whereas rasa or mercury preparations can be advised during asadhya or incurable disease conditions also. Parada or mercury. As you all know, mercury is the only metallic element that is liquid at standard conditions for temperature and pressure and shiny silver in color. Mercury is a chemical element with the symbol Hg. Hg stands for hydragyrum. Now, hydragyrum is formed by combination of two words, hydra or water and argyrus or silver. Hydra, water, hydra plus argyrus, hydra, water and argyrus, silver. The chemical symbol of Ag is from the Latin word argentum, used for silver. So, it is commonly known as liquid silver or quicksilver or Galada Raupya Nibham in Sanskrit. Galada, molten state, गला हुआ, रौप्य सिल्वर, निभम लुक्स लाइक. हाइड्रागाइजम को हम दोबारा से समझते हैं. हाइड्रा वाटर या पानी या लिक्विड, आर्गायरम स्टैंड्स फॉर अर्जेंटिनम और सिल्वर, लिक्विड सिल्वर और क्विक सिल्वर और इन संस्कृत गलद रौप्य निभम, गला हुआ चांदी जैसा, ऐसा ही दिखता है. The physical properties of mercury. Classifications. Mercury is a transition metal. Color silvery white. Atomic weight 200.59. State liquid. Melting point. You should remember it carefully. There is no very much difference between melting point and freezing point. Here freezing point is missing. You can read it in the book. Melting point minus 38.83. It is melting point. and freezing point minus 38.82. Only 0.1 degree difference in between melting point and freezing point. Boiling point 356.73 degrees centigrade. And you can come to the last point, density at 20 degrees centigrade, it is 13.54 gram. Rest are electrons 80, protons 80, neutron in most abundant isotope 122, electron cells, electron configuration, etc. Here you can see the photographs of liquid silver or quicksilver or mercury. Use of Parada. Earlier, the mercury was used for alchemical purposes to convert the lower metal to the noble metal or gold. This is known in Ayurveda or Rasashastra as the Dhatuvada. However, the main aim of this discipline is not only for using mercury for alchemical purpose but also to promote the positive health and thereby attaining the salvation. With this aim, it has been developed as science. It makes the body as strong as metals. Synonyms. Classification. Synonyms of Parada can be classified according to appearance, origin, movement, utility in Dehavada, utility in Dhatuvada, supremacy, properties, and mythological approach, etc. Synonyms based on utility in Dehavada. Amrita, immortal or never dies. With the use of mercurial preparations, one can achieve longevity. Paramamrita, ultimate quality of Amrita. Jaitra, victorious. By the use of mercurial preparation, one can achieve victory over death and disease. Dehada, by the use of mercurial preparations, one can get healthy body. Rasayana, by the use of mercurial preparations, old age can be prevented as well as act as an immunity booster. Mrityunasana and Parada, etc. Synonyms based on utility in Dhatuvada. Rasolaha, liquid metal. Divyarasa, divine liquid, can transmute to gold. Rasendra or Rasattama, most excellent liquid. Misraka, it can well mixed and assimilate with other materials. Suta, Sutaka, Sutarata, instrumental in forming both Dehasiddhi and Lohasiddhi. Synonyms based on special properties. Ananta, without end. Same Achintya. Amara, which never dies, like God. Saubhagya, good luck can be achieved during treatment. Yasade, gives success during treatment. Synonyms based on external feature. Galadhara Upyanibham, liquefied silver or molten silver. Mahabanni, shiny or bright as fire. Suvarna, good color or gold. Mahatejasa, extremely bright. Synonyms based on mythological origin. As per reference, Parada is supposed to be originated from Lord Sadasiva or Maheshwara. So, all the names of synonyms are automatically becomes Parada synonyms like Harabija, Lokesa, Deva, Rudrateja, Shivaya, Trinetra, etc. Synonyms based on appearance. Khechara, Chala, Chapala, Gatiman, as it is swift. Chanchala. Movement, Skandha and Skandadesa. In today's session number 27, we discussed about the introduction of Parada or mercury along with its synonyms. MCQ related with today's questions. Specific gravity of mercury is 12.48, 13.54, 13.96 or 19.45. Number 2, melting point of mercury is melting point minus 38.82, minus 38.83, 356 degrees centigrade, minus 4 degrees centigrade. Boiling point of mercury minus 38.82, minus 38.83, 356 and 100 degrees centigrade. Freezing point of Hg minus 38.82, minus 38.83, 356 degrees centigrade and 100 degrees centigrade. My dear students, be careful when you are questioning regarding freezing point and melting point. In case of mercury, it is very small gap in between melting point and freezing point. Be careful. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, then mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.